All right, so let's go back to the cycle, and that's the letter C. Now let's listen to this intro from the top real quick, and then let's listen to what happens right here. All right, here we go. So there you go. That's a nice little tricky trick thing. Another thing we could do, right? So that's one option. Here's another thing we can do. Let's mute the regular symbol. We're going to mute the regular symbol. And I think I'm going to take this symbol right here, the reverse. And first of all, let's take this and let's open the scissors up. Let's get the scissors, so T and I. And then we're going to click and we're going to cut this at 8. So again, that, see where it says position 8? That's measure 8. So we're going to hit TT to bring the pointer back, or T and then click on the pointer. And let's get rid of that excess file right there. Okay, so now we're going to drag this to measure 7. And that should lock in perfectly. Here's another option. All right, let's turn off cycle C, or you can click up here. And let's see what happens if we do this. If we were to, sorry guys, one of my dogs just came in my office and threw me all off. So anyway, yeah, so what we're gonna do here is let's click on this guitar track. Let's pull the scissors back up, T, and then you're either going to go down to the scissors or you're going to press the letter I. Stop repeating yourself, Mr. O. All right, and we are going to make a cut here from between 8 and 9. So let's click right here and let's let that go. Press TT. There you go. Let's cut that guitar part out and let's see what happens. All right, so let's just play it from measure 5. So put the playhead at 5, hit play. Not crazy about that. So Command Z. So we're bringing that back. And then let's just bring this back to where it was. I think we may change this intro again because I'm not quite too excited about it, but it's cool. For now, we got this little thing right here. So from measure 6. Cool. You know what? I want to try some stuff. So why don't we try this? Let's take this reverse again. And let's move it to position right there. 7311. That's your position. 7311. It's basically, so here's measure 7, 2, 3, 4, measure 8. So let's put it at beat 3. So 1, 2, and 3. So just take this, move it to beat number 3. And again, let's go back to this symbol and let's mute it. Now let's hear this from measure 6. You know what? Yeah, I'm kind of hearing something in my head. So let's see if we can make that work. Go back to the scissor tool, TI, and then click and cut, but cut it right where that reverse starts. Okay, let's go back to the pointer and let's listen again. Yeah, I like that. I actually do like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this cymbal track and I'm going to bring the volume on that down to like, say minus 7.2. And I'm going to start at measure 7 and listen one more time. All right, stop the video here. Go get your session looking like this. Practice everything I just taught you. Do you feel the vibes? Do you feel like the vibes are starting to get a little bit better? I got some more dope ideas, but I don't want to put them in this video because I don't want to make the videos crazy long. So stop here, go practice everything you just learned, and then come back when you're ready.